Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today, we're going to draw and color a brand new number block, Numberblock 2026. Let's get started. First, draw a big rectangle for Numberblock 2026's body. Nice and steady.
Color inside, stay inside, make it bright just like the sun. Red, blue, yellow, green, this color in time is fun. Number blocks appear alive.
Now we add 44 vertical lines. Let's count together as you draw. Let's count one by one all the way to the final number. Ready? Let's count together. 1,
Feel it soft and neat and bright. Use your
2,
crayons, use your markers, make your picture feel
3,
just right. Shine the picture, let it glow.
4,
This drawing time feels so alive. Number
5,
blocks are happy friends. Learning helps our
6,
minds to thrive.
7, 8,
Count with me, 1 to 10, let the colors start again. 11, 12, 13,
9,
14, every block becomes a friend. 15, 16, 17, 18,
10,
19, 22, numbers grow and numbers show what we can learn and what we do.
11,
Stick your shaded color
12,
in. Number blocks are full of fun. Red next, blue next, yellow next, color
13,
every single one, step by step and block by block. Count them slow, then count them fast.
14,
We are learning all the numbers, 'cause knowledge always stays and lasts.
15,
Tick tock, tick tock.
16,
Drawing time never stops. Color
17,
softly, color lightly, make the picture
18,
never drop. Color the blocks one by one. Fill
19,
it in and let it shine.
20,
Every single square makes number blocks
21,
so divine.
22, 23,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we color and we count alive. 6, 7, 8,
24,
9, 10, we can start it all again. This is learning with our heart.
25,
This is art, drawing every little part makes the magic true.
26,
Color the top,
27,
color the bottom, color the middle, in between. Every shade and every tone makes
28,
the best we've ever seen. Rainbow colors everywhere, mix and match and all
29,
combine. Drawing number blocks with love makes every picture look so fun.
30,
Now we finish nice
31,
and slow, step by step and line by line.
32,
Breath, enjoy the view. Number blocks
33,
look super fine. We can draw them every day.
34,
We can color, we can count. Every
35,
number block we make gives imagination
36,
an amount. Number blocks learning, number
37,
blocks fun. Drawing and coloring every
38,
one. Color and count, count and color.
39,
Numbers like no
40,
other.
41, 42,
Pick a color, pick a shade. Let the drawing time
43,
begin. Make a square and stack another.
and 44. Great job! We reached 44. That's F-O-R-T-Y-F-O-U-R. Next, draw 45 horizontal lines. 44, 88, 132, 176, 220,
1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks tall, 4 blocks,
264,
5 blocks, 6 and 7, 8,
308,
10 blocks standing in a line.
352,
Now we color one by one.
396,
Careful hands. Number blocks can teach us
440,
counting. Number blocks can make us stand. Every
484.
Every line brings new design.
528.
And art together makes the brain and
572.
heart align. Counting higher, counting further. 20,
616.
30, 40 more. Numbers rising like a tower. Bigger blocks than ever before. Fill the colors in between. Keep it neat and keep it
748.
right. Number blocks together.
792. 836. 880. 924. 968.
Make the picture super pretty.
1012.
Shiny, glowing, clean and bright. We are artists, we are
1056.
learners. We are builders full of dreams.
1100.
Number blocks is stronger than it seems.
1144.
Mix the cool, use the crayons in a
1188.
Use your pencils, make the drawing look divine.
1232.
We try when we learn
1276. 1320. 1364. 1408. 1452. 1496. 1540. 1584. 1628. 1672. 1716. 1760. 1804. 1848. 1892. 1936. 1980. And 2026. Wow, we reached 2026. That's TWOUSAND TWENTYSIX. Now draw two big eyes, big circles with pupils in the center. So cute!
Perfect learning fix. 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks tall.
Draw the eyebrows right above the eyes.
6 and 7, 8. Pick a color, pick a shade.
Now draw a big, happy smile. Add little teeth and a tongue.
Clean and slow drawing makes our world creative. This is how
Draw the hands on both sides. Draw 2 legs at the bottom. At the top, write Numberblock 2026. Fantastic work! You've drawn Numberblock 2026. Now, let's color him in and bring him to life. Pick up black, B-L-A-C-K. Color the eye outline, the inside mouth area. Mini game, blink and focus. Blink once, blink twice. Now color carefully inside the lines. Pick purple, P-U-R-P-L-E. Color the eye outlines, eyebrows, smile, hands, legs. Say the color. What color is this? Purple. Say it louder. Purple.
Line goes up, line goes down. Every block in the right space is boring, it's fun and slow. We don't need to rush the pace. Color inside, stay inside, make it bright just like the sun. Red, blue, yellow, green. This color in time is fun. Number blocks appear alive. Every number we create, one by one they come alive. This magic feels so great. Color, color, color inside. Fill it soft and neat and bright. Use your crayons, use your markers, make your picture.
Pick dark pink, D-A-R-K-P-I-N-K. Color the tongue. Mini game, smile check. Show me your biggest smile. Now comes the big part. Pick dark red, R-E-D. We are coloring 2,000 blocks. Take your time. We will play many mini games while coloring.
22 numbers grow and numbers show what we can learn and what we do.
Big number power. Say it with me. 2,000. Again, 2,000. That's a huge number.
This knowledge always stays and lasts. Tick tock, drawing time never stops. Color softly, color lightly, make the picture never drop. Color the blocks one by one, fill it in.
Count by hundreds. Let's count while coloring. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Keep going. 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Halfway. Now again. 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 1,900, 2,000. Wow!
Every day we can color, we can count. Every number block we make gives imagination an amount. Number blocks learning, number blocks fun, drawing and coloring everyone. Color and count, count and color, learning numbers like no other. It's time to draw the number blocks. Let's begin today.
Fast and slow game. When I say fast, color fast. When I say slow, color carefully. Fast, slow, fast, slow. Excellent listening.
Draw another, stack them side by side. Every number starts with shapes. Watch them grow with pride. Lines go up and lines go down. Corners strong and square. Drawing number blocks together shows how much we care. Now it's coloring time. Let the colors shine. Fill each block with happy shades one at a time. Red is bright and blue is cool. Yellow like the sun. Coloring the It's time to draw the number blocks. Let's begin today. Take your pencil, take your crayons. Let's create
Stretch break.
play.
Pause coloring. Stretch your fingers. Wiggle them. Shake your hands. Back to coloring. Quiet focus. Color quietly for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing focus.
Lines go down, corners strong and square. Drawing number blocks together shows how much we care. Now it's coloring time. Let the colors shine. Fill each block with happy shades, one at a time. Red is bright and blue is cool. Yellow like the sun. Coloring the number blocks is learning mixed with fun. Color gently, color neatly, stay inside.
Spot the red. Look around you. Can you find something red? Point to it. Great spotting. Spell the color. Red. R-E-D. One more time.
Let's start counting slowly now. 1 and then it's 2, 3 and 4 and 5 blocks. Look what we can do.
White space check. Look carefully. Any white spaces left? Fill them in neatly. Countdown finish. Almost done. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done! Done, done, done.
Our thinking starts to grow. Take your time and enjoy it. Learning is a joy.
Now pick light orange. LIGHTORANGE. Color the 20 block area. Count by tens. 10, 20. That's 20. 20 is spelled TWENTY. Finally, pick purple. PURPLE. Color the 6 blocks.
Numberblocks will always help us learn.
Amazing! Learning time! Let's learn together. 2026 equals 2000 plus 20 plus 6. 2000 plus 20 plus 6. That makes 2026. Say it with me. 2026. Number block 2026 says, I'm big and bright. I'm made of 2000, 20, and 6. Great job, super learners. You colored, you counted, you learned place value, and you built 2026. See you in the next number block video.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.